Good afternoon. This is Dr. Brenda with Make Food Your Medicine and Medicine Your Food. This is the final product for the avocado and tuna salad. And I choose to serve it with a slice of avocado street sprouted bread, which is so good. If you like bread, that's an excellent brand to invest in. And also here I have some green tea with lemon and honey. So this makes a really delicious lunch, and I just love it. This is a recipe that I saw on Facebook a couple of weeks ago, and I've had it at least 4 times within the last 2 weeks. That's how good it is to me. So anyway, remember that this is 2018, and this is the year that we take our health in our own hand. You know, there's so much controversy at the federal level about health care. You know, you don't know if you're going to have health care or not. Is the level of care going to change? These are all questions that we don't know. But what I know for sure is that God created you perfectly, and God created the perfect food that will keep your body healthy and vibrant from the rest of your life. If you're not healthy now, if you start eating the foods that God created you to eat, you will grow healthy. Again, this is Dr. Brenda with Make Food Your Medicine and Medicine Your Food. And I hope you have a great day. And try this recipe. Share it with you and your family. And give me some feedback. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.